Once upon a time in a tranquil village surrounded by lush rolling hills and a meandering river, there resided a wise Zen master renowned for his insight and counsel. People journeyed from distant lands to seek his guidance. For not only was he a repository of knowledge, but he possessed a unique ability to reveal life's hidden truths. One bright morning, a young and inquisitive villager ventured forth to the Zen master's humble abode, with a question that had been weighing heavily on his mind. "Master," the young man began, "what are the habits we must avoid, the unattractive qualities that hinder our path to a fulfilling life?" The Zen master, his eyes filled with a gentle light, agreed to share his wisdom about the 7 unattractive habits that one must strive to avoid. 1. Complacency. The Zen master emphasized that complacency was the very first unattractive habit to guard against. It's remarkably easy to fall into the rut of a daily routine, growing comfortable with the status quo. He urged the young man not to settle for mediocrity, but rather to continually seek self-improvement and personal growth. He spoke of the importance of pushing boundaries and exploring the unknown, for therein lay the seeds of personal development and enlightenment. 2. Negative self-talk. The habit of negative self-talk, the Zen master explained, could be devastating. He spoke of how the mind's inner dialogue shapes one's perception of the world and reality, instead of indulging in self-doubt and self-criticism. He encouraged the young man to cultivate a positive and empowering mindset. He taught him to be kind to himself, for only in self-compassion could one truly find peace and growth. 3. Comparing oneself to others. The Zen master cautioned against measuring oneself against others. He urged the young man to understand that each individual's journey is unique, and comparing oneself to others would only lead to dissatisfaction. He shared the ancient wisdom that true fulfillment could be found by focusing on personal progress and development. Every step forward, he noted, was an accomplishment in itself. 4. Gossip and backbiting. Engaging in gossip and backbiting. The Zen master warned not only harmed one's own reputation, but also spread negativity throughout the community. He stressed the importance of avoiding such destructive habits and promoting kindness, understanding, and empathy. Instead, he explained that in a village where compassion thrived, true harmony could be found. 5. Procrastination. Procrastination, he said, was a silent thief of time. Delaying important tasks could lead to regrets and lost opportunities. The Zen master advised the young man to seize the present moment, for it was a powerful catalyst for personal growth. He emphasized the art of productive action and how it could propel one toward their dreams and aspirations. 6. Impatience. Impatience. The Zen master elucidated was a source of much frustration and disappointment. He imparted the wisdom that true fulfillment could be achieved by developing the virtue of patience. The young man learned that understanding the ebb and flow of life and allowing it to unfold at its own pace could lead to profound peace and inner harmony. Some things, the Zen master reminded, were worth waiting for. 7. Living in the past or future. Lastly, the Zen master spoke of the unattractive habit of dwelling in the past or worrying about the future. He stressed the importance of living in the present moment, where true happiness and contentment could be discovered. He explained that the past was a collection of lessons, and the future, a realm of possibilities. The true richness of life, he said, lay in savoring the beauty of each present moment. The young villager listened intently to the Zen master's words, feeling a renewed sense of purpose and determination to free himself from these unattractive habits that had been holding him back from a fulfilling life. He realized that by avoiding these habits, he could pave the way for a brighter and more joyful future with gratitude in his heart. The young man thanked the Zen master for his profound teachings and embarked on his journey with the newfound wisdom, ready to embrace a life filled with positivity, growth, and inner peace. The legacy of the Zen master's wisdom continued to guide not only the young villager, but also the entire community as they sought their own paths to happiness and fulfillment. If you find this advice helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell for more wisdom on your journey of life.